Here in the mountain, guys. Magpapakape tayo today. I mean, magpapamerienda. Ganda ng view, guys. Amazing view. Oh, diba? Kalak ko sa ma-repair.
Ako na, lagyan ko ito nga, dalan mo ko oran, tapos nag-start kayo. So, aroy kargam.
So there, guys, ang ating cook ay si Kuya Jan. Ang napaka-pogi nating kuya. Ayan, lagyan natin ng paminta para mawala ang langsa. At tayo naman ay nasa chubby era. Tingnan yung taba-taba ni Orwell. My goodness. Di na nag-exercise. Wala na. At kanyang finiflex ang repolyo para sa ating pansit. At ang sarap.
Yeah, bigyan mo dyan.
Ano yan? Adobong manok. Kidding. Pero that's for the pansit. So, ang ganda talaga ng view. Mga brother. Ayan, mekos-mekos natin ang manok. So, ang ginamit namin panggisa dyan, guys, yung oil, is yung sariling taba ng manok. Pag mantikain nyo yun, guys, tapos igisa nyo yung manok, sarap. Siyempre, ang dami-dami mantika niyan. So, kailangan nating ibuhos dun sa apoy para mas lalong lumiyab ang apoy. So, yan, nanggagatong na si Kuya. Mekos-mekos na yan para mas lalong masarap. So, buhusan na natin ng tubig para mailagay na natin ang pansit. So, hindi nga naipakita kung paano mailagay ang pansit. Pero ayan, natural magic. Luto na ang pansit ni Kuya John John. Ang sarap, guys, in fairness. Actually, dalawang ribs ang nilagay dyan. Isang sarap. Super. If only you can taste it, malilimutan nyo talaga ang inyong mga pangalan. Sarap para magluto ni Kuya. Yummy. Dahil kulang yung pinggan dyan, guys, kumuha kami ng dahon ng saging. So, ayan, flex niya kung paano siya sumandok ng pansit na napaka-sarap.
Celebration and final demo.
Picnic in the farm. F ko na, fresh load. Let's pansit in the farm, guys. That's my auntie Linda. Parehas kami ng plate. And my uncle. Mag-hi ka pa yung uncle. My uncle Junjun, suplado siya dyan sa part na yan. Hindi man lang nag-hi. Sarap. 2 kilos lang yan. Pero marami na pala siya. Silipin natin sila. So, dyan sila pumesto kasi malambig sa part na yan. Nong, mahay ka pa yung amnong. Junjun. Picnic here in the mountain. Leo and Mirai too is in here. He's in the farm. Kana kamarag kayon kan? Nabalin niya kamaragin? Ay kanyaw ko yung lagafungin? Oh. Leo! Leo, say hi! Hi guys! Hi guys, say Hi guys! You can do it, Mirai. Very good.
Mommy threw Prince in the water a while ago.
Prince? Really?
Yes. The water there. He's swimming now. Prince swimming. We go there.
You can swim here also.
No.
Just kidding.
No swimming. Yeah.
Diyan ka na.
Bakit? Okay. And then,
Hi guys.
wait lang. Okay.
Hello.
What are you doing?
In the water.
Ganda ng view. Pero of course, mas maganda ako. Just Miray, look at me. Ang ganda ng view. Pero mas maganda si Ate Oli. Right? Ikaw? Mas maganda ka? May I see your face? Mas maganda si Ate Oli. Mas maganda si Ate Oli. Si Ate Oli ang maganda. Hindi ko naman maganda yung face mo. Hindi ko naman makita yung maganda mong face.
Brown ka nga eh.
Dahil brown ako? But there is such thing like black beauty. Ay, brown beauty. Hindi siya black.
Wala nga. So, hello guys. I got apple snail egg.
What's that?
Apple snail egg.
Huh?
Apple snail egg.
Apple snail egg. Why apple snail egg? Kaka-relax, no?
Come on.
We have Leo here. Look, I'm going to vlog Leo too. I want Leo to cry. Wow. Yun na yung boss nila. Kontento na yung boss nila.
Dede ikaw, dede.
Yeah.
Ako dun maa.
Saan?
Ganyan nung ginagawa ni Lolo at Lola sa amin. No?
Yeah. You know, before, my lolo and lola, if you can yun. Wala kami na abak, wala na abak.
Yes.
Bayan ko na pero tatapak na naman ba? Ali, anong mind over matter ba?
Leo, look here. Say hi. Hi, bro. Pacha. Ang layo naman ng kulay ko sa'yo, Bi.
There's here.
What is it?
Like, see the daddy?
Ate?
Where is it? Oh,
Ate? Where is ate? There. There, oh. Look. Jojo, look. There.
Kasing, Ate Oriel.
Ayo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Angkel, kape ka pa lang. Kung naman, Angkel, kape ka pa lang. Pagaman, ah. Look at the difference of the color, guys. The white and the black coffee here. Angkel, kape ka pa lang, Angkel.
Tayo ng kulay namin, mas maitim ako.
Oh, di ba? Look, yung kulay naming dalawa. Black daw ako. Sabi ni Mary. Doing Leo, how does it feel? Is it cool? It's cold? The water is cold? Look here in the camera, Rod. Oh, hi, Kikang. Hi, guys. I'm playing in the water.
It's jumping.
Why?
It's my fun.
Huh?
It's my fun.
It's fun. It's so much fun. Leo, it's so much fun. Leo. No, nga doon. Careful. Kanina? Ay. We're going home na, guys. Nakatakong kasi si tita, guys. Ano? Yung futok eh. Tug. Wala nang exercise si Oriel. Konting lakad lang eh. Hihingal na siya. Oh my God. Yeah. My God. Pagod ang puso mo, brother. Yan lang ang nilakad namin, guys. Oh, from there. Tapos hinihingal ka na.